Today I will be showing a tutorial on how to do reading assignments on the Smart Club website. First, click the login button on the top right. Then, I want to log in with my username, so I click the button on the bottom. I put in my username and password. Everyone's password is test2test. Everyone's username is also different, so don't put mine as yours. I press log in and hooray, we're logged in. Now, we want to go to the reading assignments. Go to the top right and click the button called reading. Now, we have to start reading the assignment our teachers assigned to us. Make sure to ask your teacher the name of the reading. My assignment is the first one, so I'll click on the button Start Reading to begin. We can now start reading the article and questions. Click on the arrows to go through each page of the article. Make sure to read carefully. Scroll up or down to see the full page of the article. There will be a lot of pages, so make sure to keep going. If we want someone else to help us read, we can click on the button called Text in the top left. Select the piece of text we need reading. Then, click the button called Read on the right. Someone will read it to us. How kind! If we want them to read faster or slower, we can use the slider on the top. If we want, we can also translate our text by pressing the button called Translate. Once we finish reading, we need to go back to start the practice questions. Click the back button on the top right. Now click on the button called Practice Questions or Continue. Mine is called Continue because I've been working on my assignment already. This is my first question and it's multiple choice. For these problems, click on the answer choice you think is correct. Use the tools on the left to go back to the reading. I'm going to do this to review the article. Now that I've finished the first question, click on the button called Next on the top right. If I need to go back, I can use the button called Previous. My second question is free response. Use your keyboard and type out what you think is correct. I'm going to move on to the next question now. My reading assignment is quite long, so I'm going to finish it and get back to you guys. Okay, I've finally reached the end. My last question is a fill in the blank. I'm going to click on the blank and choose the option I think is correct. When I think I'm done, I'm going to check my work. Always double check your work. When I've double checked my work, I'm going to press the Submit button and then the Confirm Submit button. Ouch! I only got 5 questions correct. I should have checked my work again. I definitely need to review. I'm going to click on the button called Question List to review my answers. Here, I can see all the questions I answered and got wrong. I'm going to click on question 1 and see what I got wrong. I don't really understand what I did wrong, so I'm going to raise my hand and ask my teacher for help. When I'm done reviewing, I'll go back to the homepage by clicking on the arrow on the top left. And that's it. We've just completed a reading assignment. Good job. Every time I answer a question correctly, I get 1 star. Once I get enough, I think I'll redeem it for some yummy ice cream. Thank you so much for watching.